Come on along. Sparklers. Hey! Boys are earning their money.
That was a good one, Wa.
You got a little dirt fire yet under there. Oh, look, it's cribbed up. That's not supposed to look like that either. You think he needs a couple of rollers too, huh, boys? Wow.
Oh, more like that.
All of them? They're actually pretty reasonably priced.
You'll appreciate that.
You think we can reuse the rails? I want to get a little video of you turning it on and making it squeal. I want to hear why they're tearing the rails off. I want to hear why they're tearing the rails off. You can see it right there on the sprockets. The bushings are all wore out. What do we call this?
Well, what?
Bulwark.
Probably.
We gotta have a little discussion here, boys, about, you know, what's going on. This is our last job that we got in the shop. Cause of the, hey, are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Cause of what? What do they call it? A pandemic? I don't qualify for the PPP program because I don't know what's the scoop. They ran out of money. So this is our last job. We're gonna go into, well, he brought that out of storage, but all you need to do is charge the battery, but look at the shop, it's empty. We're gonna all drink Coronas in a boat after this. You know what that is? Red Lobster. Go to Red Lobster, you can get Coronas in a boat.
Can't go to Red Lobster.
Oh yeah, we can't go to Red Lobster. We're down to eating venison sausages here. So what are we gonna do after this? We close down in the next week. What are you gonna do, Troy? Go into porn? Probably. What's that in your pants?
You don't wanna know.
Okay, good, I don't. Yeah, I'm doing a documentary series on the last video of Mike and Kyle and Troy. There ain't much left for work, so we're done. We're gonna go on unemployment and I'm gonna sell everything. Because of the Wuhan. Right, Troy? You're really doing a good job torching. We bent that torch tip just for that, didn't we? Perfect. Good job, Troy. Don't get nervous now. torch like that? Who taught you that? Oh. It's like the 4th of July, ain't it? Sparklers. He's pretty handsome, isn't he? He's pretty cool. Fireman. Think. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much empty shop. Nothing going on. Let's step outside in the wind. A lot of noise. Uh-oh. Mysterious white car here. Yep. There's the new rails, but yeah. There's nothing to do. Nothing, absolutely nothing. There's no work coming in, so everything over there in the row is all done. Farmers are looking at these dragging the fields. What is it, April the 22nd today, I think? We're done. I got nothing left. I don't know what we're gonna do, but there ain't no cash flow. Ain't no cash flow at all. So I don't know what, we gotta have a meeting, a discussion with the boys, and that's it. So we'll talk to y'all later. As he's coming in here, maybe I'll shoot some video. At least the farmers are working. I got dirt to turn over. That's a big one. Yeah, when was the last time you saw my parking lot empty like that? Ever. See you, bye, wish me luck.